sweet ones. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to show you my design team project for Medieval Mirage, and I'm excited. I mean, this was supposed to be a double, but look at her. There was no way. Can you imagine one on the back that's that size? It wasn't gonna happen. No, not at all. So this measures, really, if I'm looking at what I would consider the cover, we're looking at 6 1/4 by 5 or 4 1/2, and I went ahead at the bottom. You know, I love to add the beads, and I added 2 chipboard buttons to this. There's beads, there's a love charm, and then a little gypsy bell at the bottom. And then on here I had 2 clothing tags that were pretty thick. And look at this, isn't that just the cutest? A little bit of trim there, a little bit of Nouveau glaze there. These are also, of course, Medieval Mirage scraps, leftover scraps that I had. And then I used this chiffon ribbon. Don't know where I got the chiffon ribbon, but used that as the tie, and I left it, it's really long. It will wrap around this journal. I think it's 3 or 4 times. So there's a sticker here, there is a vellum stamp there, and what this is, I've got lace here. This comes out because this is a pocket, so technically this is the cover. And I added lace there as well. You can see she just wants to open up. So this is just a little mini booklet. I took some scraps, 2 little pages here. These are not, this is Medieval Mirage, this is not. Some washi tape there. Just some scraps. You can use this as a pocket if you want, and add some tags. A couple more pieces of paper there that you can use to journal on, or anything that you want. Piece of Medieval Mirage there. If you wanted to, you could glue that down and make a pocket. This really was just kind of leftovers that I knew you could use. I mean, leftovers are valuable. Fits right in here. This journal was created using a one of those white lunch bags. So the first page, if you've been with me when we were making this, a lot of this you've probably already seen. I used a wax seal and some lace there. And this is packing material. This is the original packing material. She was perfect for Medieval Mirage. I just thought she was so beautiful that I left it, and then I went ahead and did the back so that you could journal on that if you wanted, and it fits nicely right down in this pocket. And on this page here, I went ahead and I gathered up some pieces of pages that I had. That here's a piece of vellum. This is Medieval Mirage, this is Medieval Mirage. This was leftover scrap, as was this, but the blue matched just perfectly. So this piece here was from Dreams, etc. And this was gifted to me, and then I put a piece of lace on there. So you can use this as this, or you could take that off and use it however you want. This side I did a snippet of lace with a vintage button, and there are 2 tags in here. Beautiful, beautiful Medieval Mirage page here, as is this. Isn't that just so pretty? And this opens up Medieval Mirage. This matches the cover. Used a piece of lace up there and attached it with a staple. And this opens up so that you can do have more journal space. So this fits down inside of here. And then I also added a, I was going to say I also added a tag using Medieval Mirage. That's Medieval Mirage and coffee dyed paper, and then some really cool textile ribbon. But this also is, there's a lot of recycling in here because this was a garment tag. It's pretty thick. I did that a lot in this book. So book page, some trim down here, a piece of Medieval Mirage scrap. This is a pocket. You can journal on the back of this and on the other side. Here is a large tag, or it could be a journal card. It could be a writing card. This is another tag, and this will open up for lots of journal space. Just really, really cute. For the most part, I used Medieval Odyssey Volume 2, but there are also scraps that I have used from Jarf's other kits. And I will link all of Jarf's information in the description box. This, if you're seeing this, this is in my shop. If you go to look for it and it's not there, then it's gone. Wrapping paper, I just thought the pink roses were beautiful, so I used some of this wrapping paper in this journal. There's a Cupid's Dream music sheet here, and I used a music note. I just thought that this paper clip here is a music note. So you've got a tag, or you could use this as a journal card. Not a writing board so much, because I did put lace on there, so it's not flat. That's the other side. And I absolutely love the music note next to the music page. Then here, what I did is, if you were watching me as I created this, this is that German page, and I did not want to cover the German writing up. So I came up with a solution of laces. This will, it just folds over. So we've got a couple snippets of lace here. And then I backed these laces with a piece of the pink cardstock. So, okay, well, I didn't catch that. So did I catch that? Yes, I did. So I'm gonna have to go back, and we're gonna have to catch this in there, because I didn't catch that. But yeah, you can leave this as it is. It makes a great bookmark, or you can take pieces of this lace off and use it. Then we have pattern paper here. Here is a book page. This is some of the painting that I've done. I created a pocket out of this page, and this tag fits in this pocket. And that's so pretty. And the back is plain so that you have writing space. And this is a fold out. I did use a die cut on there, and I used another wax seal here and some lace here, and then this is a another tag here. And on this page, we take this paper clip off. This opens up, and you have some more pages of paper that you can play with or do just about anything you want to do. This I did cover, and so that sits in there, and this keeps that in place. And then I had this sheet of paper here, wanted to use it. I just thought it was perfect for this journal. So that's there. And we've got a doily. We've got a book page, a page of copy paper. Then we have a tag here with some more of that really, really cool textile. Added lace and an enamel dot. So did a little collage there, and then that's copy tea-dyed paper on the back of that. And on this side is the bag, and this is a glycine bag. This is a pocket. The glycine bag is finished front and back. I was going to put things in this bag, and I decided not to because this is so full that there just was no way. So you can add in here anything you want. As a matter of fact, I made this little booklet here. I think I showed this to you already in case you have not seen it. It's leftover pages. I thought this was just so cute. I will just put this in the bag so there's something in the bag. And then we have a Tim Holtz clip right there that keeps this closed, just like that. Some washi tape. So I'll just put that in the bag like that. Then on this page here, we have an apple paper clip, another wax seal, some trim up here, some trim at the bottom. This is from one of Jarf's kits, not this one. This was a document kit, and I just loved the green, thought it went really well, so wanted to use that. And there's 2 tags in these pockets. So a lot going on here. Was there? No, okay. Put this on. And there's a pocket here with another page from Jarf's document kit. And then paper bag, just because, yes, I like that. I was gifted this a long time ago. Just thought it was so pretty. Put that in the center. This opens up, and we have another piece from the document kit. I didn't coffee, tea dye, or do anything to that. And here is a tag and some more of my painting. And this tag here opens up. We've got numbers up there. A piece of Medieval Mirage. And it opens up to, it's a little booklet. And it could be a writing board. It's flat with no lace or anything on it, so it could double easily as a writing board. Cute, cute. And then if you were with me, you saw me do this little belly band and this really cute tag booklet. And then we added an enamel piece in here, enamel dot, and then some bling around there like that. And also added some Nouveau glaze and a little piece of lace. The back side of the copy, some washi tape on this book page. The doily. This page here is a tuck, and here is a tag. Cute, cute trim. So she fits really nicely right down in there. And on the back side here, we have some more lace in a pocket. And what I did with this is I added baker's twine, a vintage piece of rickrack, and there is another clothing label. I love these clothing labels because they're so thick. And yeah, I am in love with those. I don't even know where I got them. They're mine, but I don't know what they came off of. Then we've got another tag here. Isn't she pretty? I think, don't quote me, but I think this came off of Bohemian Beauties. Jarf's kit, not positive, but layered 2 layers of lace there, and lace here, and then tied it off with that trim. And this is the back side. This is not Medieval Mirage. This is some paper that I had. This is Medieval Mirage. So that sits there, and that is not a pocket. Okay. She stays there with that. And oh, it is. I did have some stuff on there. So, oh yes, okay. So, in the document kit, there's these postcards, and I used wax seals and put that here. So there's the large one. There is the smaller one. And this one here, each one has a wax seal, and then there's 2 smaller ones. Here, just cute. Cute, cute. And then there's this page here, pattern paper, vintage art, paper from an art book. This is a tag with a wax seal on it, and it's got a bee. And then there's this page here. Could be a writing board or a large tag. And there is a matching tag. It's the smaller version of this one here. And on this page, there's another tag with a music paper clip. Vintage book page, and in here there's 2 more tags. You can see why this is so loaded. I just couldn't stop myself. Little mini tag there with a little number sticker on this little tag, and then there's this one here. Would make a great bookmark, and some sari silk up at the top, and then this tag. Isn't that just so cute? Cute, cute. I love mixing Jarf's kits together because you just come out with just magic. This goes to this. This is a tuck, and there's Nouveau glaze on these roses, and here is another tag. I think this is the back page. It is, and then here is the back of the cover. And then in here, like the front, I put together just I took what I had left over. There's no pockets or tags, but just leftover journal space. And so that goes in here. So guys, this is my gorgeous, chunky Medieval Mirage goodness. I hope that you enjoyed this. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me while we created this. It was a lot of fun. And now there's a second one. You've probably seen this. This is the one I had to take apart, and we have to create a cover for this, and then of course all the ephemera. So there will be another Medieval Mirage design team project coming. So be sure you check out the links, check out Jarf Shop, see if there's anything in there that you absolutely love. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please give me a thumbs up, I appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.